Students, today we are going to start third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Here, first of all, we will study what is a polygon. Polygon is a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. वो कर्व जो क्लोज्ड हो, सिंपल हो और केवल लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हो. Closed means बंद. Simple means any part of it is not crossing another part of it, and it is made up of only line segments. Like here we have drawn three figures which are polygons. All these three figures, they are closed and they are also simple, so and made up of line segments. So all these three are polygons. Here these three figures, they are not polygons. The first and the last one, third one, is not closed, though it is made up of line segments, but it is not closed. The first one is also not simple because it is crossing here. The third one is simple, but it is not closed, so it is not a polygon. This middle one is also not a polygon, though it is made up of line segments and it is closed, but it is not simple because these two line segments, they are crossing each other. So it is not simple. Now, the classification of polygons on the basis of their number of sides, or you can say the number of vertices they have. If a polygon is having three vertices or three sides, then it is named as triangle, like this. If it is having four vertices or four sides, then it is called quadrilateral, like this. And you have studied in lower class also the different types of quadrilaterals like square, rectangle, etc. If it is having five vertices or five sides, it is called a pentagon, like this. If it is having six sides, it is called hexagon. If it is having seven sides, it is called heptagon. A polygon of having eight sides is called octagon, and of nine sides is called nonagon, and of 10 sides is called decagon. Now, what is meant by the diagonals of a polygon? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Here we have a rectangle. If we join two non-consecutive vertices, जो एक के बाद एक नहीं है, adjacent नहीं है, उनको जब हम ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये हमें diagonals मिलते हैं. Here in this we have two diagonals, PR and SQ. If we have a pentagon, then DA, DB, EC, EB, they are the diagonals of the polygon. Now, interior and exterior of a closed curve. The part which is lying inside its boundary, it is called the interior of the polygon, and the area which is lying outside the boundary of the polygon, it is called the exterior of the polygon. Then we have convex and concave polygons. Polygons that are convex have no portions of their diagonals in their exterior. Or we can also say that any line segment joining any two different points in the interior of the polygon lies wholly in the interior of it. मतलब अगर किसी polygon के डायगोनल्स का कोई भी पोर्शन उस पॉलीगन के एक्सटीरियर में लाई नहीं कर रहा है, बाहर नहीं लाई कर रहा है, तो उसे हम कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन कहेंगे। कॉन्वेक्सिटी को हम इस ऐसे भी चेक कर सकते हैं कि अगर हम किसी उस पॉलीगन के इंटीरियर में दो डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स लेते हैं और उसको ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन सेगमेंट भी कंप्लीटली उस पॉलीगन की इंटीरियर में लाई करेगी, then we say that it is a convex polygon. Like here we have drawn few figures. In all of these figures, if you take any 2 points in the interior of it and join them, it will lie completely in its interior. So all these polygons, they are convex polygons. In this figures, second one, these are not convex. If a polygon is not satisfying these conditions, then it is called the concave polygon, or we can say that if some part of the line segment joining any 2 points in its interior lies in its exterior, or some part of its diagonal lies in its exterior, then it is called concave polygon. So if you take 2 points in this figure here, one is at this point and another is here, and join them, then some portion of it will always lies outside the polygon. Similarly, if you take 1 point here and 1 point here and join them by a line segment, then again its some part will lie outside the um, its interior. So in all of these figures, these 4 figures, some part of the line segment joining any two different points in its interior will always lies out in its exterior. So all these are concave polygons. That's all for today. Thank you.